Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. This month is AmigurumMay. I'll be sharing some mini and quick crochet projects that are fun and easy to make. Today, we're making a cute little star design. You can mix and match your favorite colors to create your own unique starry charm. This is a fun and cheerful project that's perfect for using up leftover yarn. Before we start, let me show you the tools and materials you'll need. I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn. You'll also need a 2.5mm crochet hook, or a hook that matches your yarn size, a yarn needle, pair of scissors, a stuffing tool with some stuffing, and a stitch marker if needed. Alright, let's get everything ready and start crocheting the star. Pick your favorite color and make a magic ring. Then work 5 single crochet into the ring. Once done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring and make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 1, start with a chain. You can pull the chain tighter to make the center look neater and more compact. Then work your first stitch into the same stitch where you made the slip stitch. Work 3 single crochet all in one stitch. Repeat this a total of 5 times. By the end of the round, you will have 15 stitches, and make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 2, start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet, you can place a stitch marker in the first stitch to make it easier to find when closing the round, followed by 3 single crochet all in the next stitch. Then 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence a total of 5 times. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. By the end of the round, you will have 25 stitches. For round 3 to 4, continue following the increase pattern. Once finished, your piece should look like this. The 3 single crochet in one stitch will form the points of the star. For round 5, start with a chain, then work 3 single crochet, followed by 1/2 double crochet. Next, work the following all in one stitch: 2 half double crochet, one double crochet, and 2 half double crochet. Then continue with 1/2 double crochet, followed by 3 single crochet. Repeat this sequence a total of 5 times. By the end of the round, you will have 65 stitches. Here's a little tip. You can make the last slip stitch look invisible. Instead of making a slip stitch with your hook, use a yarn needle to weave through the second stitch of the round, then insert it back into the last stitch to create a cleaner and neater finish. Make another piece using the same pattern. Next, place both stars with the right sides facing outward. You can use stitch markers to secure them in place. Make sure to place the stitches correctly and sew neatly around the edges. Then use the yarn to sew both pieces together. Before closing the opening, fill the star with polyester fiber until it is nicely stuffed and full. Then continue sewing to close the hole completely. The star is complete. Next, embroider the facial features in any expression you like. You can give your star a happy smile, a sleepy face, or even a cute blushing look. Just let your creativity shine and make it your own. And that's how you crochet this cute little star. I hope you enjoyed today's mini AmiguruMay project. You can make more stars in different colors and turn them into keychains, bag charms, decorations, or gifts for your friends and family. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations with me. I'd love to see your adorable stars. See you in the next crochet tutorial.